How to connect Duo Mobile to Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect Duo Mobile to Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram app and here click on this profile section over here, and once you have clicked on profile, something like this would be displayed before you. So click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. After clicking on these lines, click on account center under your account section. Now here scroll down till you find account settings option and then click on password and security. Over here you'll have to find the option two-factor authentication and just click on it. Now you can just click on this, and now here you can either select authentication through the app or through SMS or WhatsApp, but authentication app is highly recommended, so you can just download one and generate a code and then enter the code in order to log in. So here select the authentication app and then click on next. Once you've clicked on next, they'll ask you to download an authentication app. So you can either download Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator if you don't have it already installed. So for that, go to your app store and search for Duo Mobile and download that on your phone and come back to Instagram. And now here you can either, if you're using the Authenticator app on another phone, you can either scan the QR code by clicking on view barcode QR code, and you can just scan this QR code with that phone and you'll be logged in. Or you can even copy this key, so just click on copy key and then open your Duo Mobile account. And now here when you open your Duo Mobile, something like this will be displayed in front of you. So just click on this continue and then click on this user code activation, and over here search for Instagram and click on Instagram. Now here you need to paste that code. Now you just have to click on this copy key and paste it over here and then click on sign, and then this, and then click on this. Over here you have to write down your username or email that is associated with your Instagram account. So I'm gonna write it over here, and after that just click on this and then click on this, and then here you have to set a password, and after setting password you have to confirm the password. And it must be between 10 and 128. So you can just type in a password and then just confirm it, and after that just click on next and click on this accept and continue, and again this, and then you can either don't allow or allow, and then click on this. And now this is the code. You have to copy the code and go to your Instagram account. Once you've typed in the code, you'll be able to see that you can only log in using your Authenticator app. Then whenever you try to log in, they'll ask you for a code that is being generated by your Authenticator app. So you have to open your Duo Mobile app and copy the code from over here and just type in that code in your Instagram login, and then you'll be able to log into your Instagram. So that is how you can connect Duo Mobile to your Instagram account. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.